Today's topic is to check if a string is a valid identifier or not. So what is an identifier? Identifier is a name or a something which you give to a function or a variable or anything like that. Identifier has a few set of rules that it do not get started with numbers, and it can consist of an underscore which is get followed by the numbers or an alphabets, and alphabets it can be from the lowercase or an uppercase like that, but rather than that it do not get started with the special characters and all that. So how are we going to check it, right? We are going to check it by using an regular expression library. So first we are going to import the library, that is import re. After that we have created a function which is named as a check, in which we are going to pass our string. After that we have used a variable which is an indent over here, which is going to get all of the possibilities for an identifier, and after that we are searching for an identifier in our given string, and we are having an output in the form of a boolean, and we are storing that in the form of an x. If the x tends to be true, then we are printing that it's a valid identifier, else we are printing it as an invalid identifier. And this is our driver code to enter a string, and this is our calling of a function. So let's say I'm going to call my class, then it's a valid identifier. But if I call, let's say it's a 1D or something like that, then it's going to give me an invalid identifier.